This is battery corrosion. Guys, this battery is 3 or 4 years old. Still works just fine. This battery cable is less than a year old and was cleaned 3 or 4 months ago. And as you can tell, it is already corroded up again. When you get corrosion happening like this, you need to look right there. See that little tiny white ring? What's happening is the seal between the plastic and the lead, battery acid, the gas from battery acid, is leaking up and corroding the metal on the bolt. That's what's corroding here, not actually this. This bolt right here is what's being corroded there, and it's because gas is leaking out right there around that post. You can see that, this white ring right there. You need to replace this battery. Basically, it's just a matter of time. And if you look at this one, you'll see there's a little bit down here. You can get a better look right there. See, this one here is leaking right here too. The sulfuric acid, the gas, the sulfuric acid is coming up and leaking there. Just telling you, whenever you see that, you need to replace it. Still works, cranks fine and everything. It's just a matter of time. Come this winter time, it probably won't.